The whole project, what we are doing here now, is an experiment. My colleagues from Prague approached me with the idea of a project which combines dance and virtual reality. And I was immediately very excited and wanted to realize it and to bring it also to Tel Aviv.
One of the most important goals for us in the Maslool is to train the dancers to be relevant in the world of dance today, and technology is part of it.
I met Maslool professional dance program and we developed the idea further. And within several months, here we are.
The Rococo suit is a motion capturing suit. We capture the body movements into a 3D model, and later we can use this animation for VR, movies, everything.
Dancers in everyday life here in our school, they don't really meet virtual reality. But when I see them dancing inside the suits, watching themselves as an avatar right away at the present while they move, I see how much potential there is there.
It was really interesting and exciting and definitely influenced the way I move.
Through this experience, I was more aware of my body, the way it moves and my habits.
The dancers benefits the most. They benefit new experiences and new perspective on movements.
It should be about using the opportunities and creating something completely new.